They said, use Lovable for like a simple MVP. Don't try to make anything complicated with it because you're going to get tangled up in all of the code problems. And that's true. I did get tangled up. I think that Claude 4.5 now, with all the advances, attendant advances in the overall system that Lovable has put out there, you're not going to run into that kind of friction that I did. And so it's time. Get in there and play with it and make something simple, but then realize that you can ask the agent to make things more and more complex, and then start a new project that's even, a
Yeah.
bigger design. By the way, I'll use the word design, with some emphasis here, because the best way to build anything is to carefully use AI to generate what's called a product requirements document. You give it just a off the cuff spoken transcription of what you want to do, and and then tell it to give you a PRD for this product and ask you all the questions that you want the AI to have answers to, in order to get a really good, complete, and coherent PRD together. And then give the PRD to Lovable and say, build this. And you're
And
you're gonna be amazed at what
you
you
would
can
do that
get.
outside of Lovable, Andy. If you were recommending this, you would
I
say
would. I just
start with like
use
a GPT-5 and try to get this
ChatGPT
first.
5
Mhm.
or Claude
Sure.
4.5, but you don't need to do that with the agent and burn up your tokens,
Right.
burn up your
Right.
credits in
Yeah,
Lovable
makes
to do
sense.
that. Do it on the free side to build the PRD, and then put the PRD, attach it as you say, okay, here's what I want to build and here's the PRD for it, and then go. Just
Yeah.
let Claude 4.5 drive Lovable and its entire platform to deliver the product, and it'll literally do that. Depending on the degree of complexity, it could do that within minutes and deliver it back to you with
Mhm.
a publish button, which, once you've done your testing, which is really essential, right?
Yeah.
Test it yourself inside the preview window within Lovable. And if everything works the way you want it, then publish it. And then you can say, here's the link to my published application. You can give it to your wife, you can give it to your children, you let them be the first row of testers,
Mhm.
and then go on and on.